PropStream has always been where real estate professionals go to find opportunity. You search a market, apply filters, build lists, and start identifying property owners who may actually have a reason to sell. And once that lead list is ready, the next step has always been outreach. But in the past, that's where the workflow may have moved outside the platform, but not anymore. Let me show you how our latest update looks inside PropStream. Once you select your desired lead list, you want to select the properties you're interested in, starting a new campaign for. In this case, I'll select them all. And I'll click on New Campaign, where I have the ability to start an email campaign, a postcard campaign, and our newest dialer campaign. The dialer campaign presents an entirely new workflow. As opposed to individual numbers that you would click on before, all of the leads are now inside a new campaign, which you can rename here at the top. As we move down, we can see the contact information for this particular property owner, as well as their contact information as pulled from the skip trace. Those that are on the do not call list are marked accordingly, but the ones that are not, you're also free to call. And immediately by clicking the call button, you can start engaging that conversation right away. As we move down, we have the opportunity to set some property status conditions based on the conversation you just had or didn't, as well as property tags that help also manage the conversation and any new information you may have, including the opportunity to add and edit those tags accordingly. And further down, we have our notes section where you can type in any applicable notes with regard to your conversation with that property owner, the property itself, etc., as well as upload accompanying files to this. What's great about this is that it's all contained in one spot and all the information you save stays with the record. If we move to the top right, you have the ability to click on the details of this property so that when you are engaged in conversation, you can refer to the details of this particular property. And as you can move forward, you can click on next and continue to make your calls and your notes accordingly. As we move back to campaign details, once you're done with your session, you'll be able to see who you contacted, especially who maybe you didn't contact or where you left off, so you can pick up accordingly on the next one. Besides the dialer campaign, you also have the ability to start a new activity. And that includes launching a postcard and an email. And with this new feature set, we also have new information based on those activities. This will always tell you what's going on in your campaign with regard to your total leads, the number of postcards sent, the total website visits for your landing page, which you would set up here, and the total leads contacted. Whether you're a solo investor working your own leads or part of a team managing outreach together, dialer campaigns let you move from research to conversation in minutes. Assign leads, track progress, and keep everything organized in one workspace. If you're already using PropStream, jump in and explore dialer campaigns inside your property lists. And if you're new to the platform, start a free 7-day trial and see how easily you can go from finding opportunities to starting real conversations with property owners.